I tested 5 of the most popular pressure washers on Amazon, from a budget-friendly 14-pound electric unit all the way up to a gas-powered professional beast that could strip paint if you looked at it wrong. Some of these surprised me. One of them genuinely impressed me in ways I did not expect at the price. And one of them, I need to be honest with you, the cleaning power does not quite match the reputation. Let's unbox the truth on all 5. Starting the list at number 1 with the one that has been the best-selling pressure washer on the internet year after year, and for very good reason, the Joe SPX3000. The SPX3000 runs on a 13-amp, 2,000-watt motor generating a certified 2030 PSI at 1.2 GPM. That is genuinely enough cleaning power for the vast majority of residential tasks. Driveways, patios, decks, siding, cars, boats, RVs, and lawn equipment. The dual detergent tank system is the feature that sets the SPX3000 apart from most competitors in this price range. 2 separate 0.9-liter onboard tanks let you load 2 different detergent solutions simultaneously and switch between them with a dial. Genuinely useful when you are doing a multi-surface clean and want to switch from a degreaser to a general soap without stopping to refill. 5 quick connect spray nozzles cover 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, plus a dedicated soap applicator for the full range from a pinpoint jet to a wide fan spray. A 34-inch stainless steel extension wand with brass fittings reaches the undersides of vehicles and second-story building exteriors. A 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord give you serious reach. The total stop system automatically shuts the pump off when you release the trigger, protecting the motor and saving energy every time you stop to move around. It weighs under 25 pounds and rolls on rear wheels for easy repositioning. 2-year warranty with CSA certification confirming the rated pressure is real. For a homeowner who wants a reliable, versatile, easy-to-store electric pressure washer that covers every standard residential cleaning job, the SPX3000 is the honest answer. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. If you want the most honest product tests every single day, subscribe to Unbox Daily. We drop new content every day. At number 2, the one that left reviewers genuinely shocked by how much cleaning power they got in a package weighing just 19 pounds. The Westinghouse EPX3500, 19 pounds. At 16.5 inches tall, running 2,500 max PSI and up to 1.76 gallons per minute. For context, the chainsaw reviewer who wrote about this machine sold his 77-pound Simpson pressure washer within 2 weeks of buying the EPX3500. That reaction tells you something real about day-to-day experience. Westinghouse solved the number 1 annoyance of portable pressure washers, tipping, with a 4-wheel 360-degree steering design and a low center of gravity. The unit turns and follows you across the driveway from concrete to grass in a smooth single motion without fighting you. The Pro-style steel extendable wand, turbo nozzle, 4 quick connect spray tips plus a soap applicator, a 25-foot easy coil nylon braided hose, and a 20-ounce onboard detergent tank are all included. The total stop system shuts the pump off when you release the trigger. At 2,500 max PSI, 500 PSI, more than the Joe, it handles mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, and rust from household surfaces with a bit more authority. The compact form factor makes storage in a small garage or shed genuinely easy. 3-year warranty backed by Westinghouse, a name that has been powering people since 1886. If you want more cleaning power than a basic electric in a package that is absurdly light and easy to move, the EPX3500 is the one. That is linked 2 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. Every single day we put another product to the test. At number 3, the one that brings eWalt's build quality and brand trust to a pressure washer, the eWalt DWPW2400. If you are in the eWalt ecosystem and want a pressure washer that matches the quality and durability of your other eWalt tools, this is where you land. The DWPW2400 runs 2,400 max PSI at 1.1 GPM through a 13-amp induction motor on a steel tubing hand truck frame with 10-inch premium pneumatic wheels. Those rubber pneumatic tires, not the plastic wheels you find on most consumer electric pressure washers, are a genuine differentiator for rolling this over rough driveways, gravel, and uneven terrain on a real job site. The frame is built to take abuse in the way that eWalt tools generally are. 5 nozzles, including a turbo nozzle, are included, along with a kink-resistant 25-foot hose, a 35-foot GFCI power cord, an integrated soap tank, and onboard storage for the wand, hose, cord, and all accessories. CETA certified pressure rating gives you confidence the 2,400 PSI number is real. 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. It is worth knowing that at 1.1 gallons per minute, the flow rate is a little lower than some competitors, which means for large surface cleaning, you are working slightly slower. But for driveways, patios, decks, siding, and vehicle washing. The combination of dewalt reliability and 2,400 pounds per square inch gets the job done consistently. The best choice for anyone who already uses dewalt tools and wants everything in one ecosystem. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. New product reviews every day on Unbox Daily. Subscribe and never miss one. At number 4, the one that proves you do not always need to spend much to get started with pressure washing. The Greenworks 1,700 pounds per square inch electric pressure washer. This is Greenworks' entry-level residential pressure washer, and it is honest about what it is. At 1,700 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute, it is the lightest duty machine on this list, but it is also the most accessible. It weighs 12.3 pounds. You can carry it in one hand. It pulls 13 amps, generates 1,700 pounds per square inch through a PWMA certified axial pump, and comes with a 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord, a turbo nozzle, and a 40-degree quick connect tip. The soap applicator handles detergent application for cars, fences, and furniture. Setup is immediate. Attach the hose, plug it in, and start cleaning. No assembly required beyond connecting the wand. For car washing, the Greenworks 1,700 pounds per square inch is genuinely excellent. Gentle enough not to damage paint, powerful enough to lift dirt and grime efficiently with the right nozzle. For patios and outdoor furniture, it gets the job done. For driveways with oil stains or heavy mildew, you will want more PSI. The Greenworks name comes with a 3-year warranty, and the brand has been in battery-powered outdoor tools since 2002 with a strong track record for residential products. For a first pressure washer, for a renter with limited storage, or for anyone who mainly washes vehicles and patio furniture, the Greenworks 1,700 pounds per square inch is the most accessible starting point on this list. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. We test something new every single day. And closing the list at number 5 with the one that is in a completely different category from everything else here, the Simpson PS3000 PowerShot. This is a gas-powered pressure washer with a Honda GX 200 commercial engine and an AAA industrial triplex plunger pump, delivering 3,300 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute. If the electric washers on this list are kitchen knives, the PS3000 is a machete. It produces 8,250 cleaning units, a number that represents the product of its PSY multiplied by its GPM, compared to roughly 2,040 cleaning units from the Greenworks. That gap is enormous, and it shows in real-world use. Reviewers tested it on a long concrete driveway with oil stains and a decade of mildew buildup and restored 300 square feet in 30 minutes. That is what commercial-grade cleaning power actually means. The Honda GX 200 engine is legendary for reliable cold starts, typically first or second pull, and for running consistently under sustained load for hours without bogging down. The AAA triplex pump delivers even, consistent pressure throughout the spray without the pressure drop you notice in cheaper axial cam pumps during long sessions. A 25-foot Morflex kink and abrasion-resistant hose, 5 quick connect nozzles, ergonomic spray gun, and 16-inch steel extension wand are all included. The welded steel powder-coated frame and 10-inch pneumatic tires make it portable across uneven terrain. It weighs 82 pounds and requires basic gas engine maintenance, oil, fuel management, winterization, which is the honest trade-off for everything it gives you. This is not for everyone. If you have a small suburban lot and wash your car twice a year, buy the Sunjoe. But if you have a large property, large driveway, or professional cleaning needs, and you want a machine that will genuinely last, the Simpson PS3000 is worth every dollar. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. We test the most popular Amazon products every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Number 1. Joe SPX3000. Best overall electric pick. 2,030 pounds per square inch, dual detergent tanks, 5 nozzles, 35-foot cord, total stop system, and the most trusted name in affordable residential pressure washing. Number 2. Westinghouse EPX3500. Best compact electric, 2,500 pounds per square inch in a 19-pound anti-tipping unit with 360-degree steering and a pro-style steel wand that converts former gas users on the spot. Number 3. DeWalt DWPW2400. Best for DeWalt users. 2,400 pounds per square inch. Pneumatic rubber wheels, steel frame, CETA certified, and fully backed by the DeWalt warranty and service guarantee. Number 4. Greenworks 1,700 pounds per square inch. Best budget entry. 12.3 pounds, plug and play, ideal for cars and patio furniture, and the most accessible starting point on this list. Number 5. Simpson PS3000 PowerShot. Best gas powered. 3,300 PSI, 2.5 GPM, Honda GX 200 engine, AAA triplex pump, and commercial-grade cleaning power for serious jobs and large properties. All 5 links are in the description, numbered in exactly this order. Drop a comment below. What are you planning to pressure wash first? I read every single one. I will catch you in the next one.